Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Lifestyle Edit, and if you don't know me, I am Madhu and I make videos on this channel The Lifestyle Edit about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Today's video is all about my favorite products or things for the month of March, and I think without wasting much of your time I should begin. So let's see the first thing. The first thing which I am liking the most is this Patanjali aloe vera gel, and this has become my favorite for this month because March is already over, April has come, and it is all about summers. And during summers, a lot of dust and pollution gets accumulated to your skin. So every night I feel so good. I wash my face with the gentle soap and I apply this. After applying this, I'll just gently rub my face for a few seconds and then leave everything on my face and then go to sleep. So in the morning when you wake up, you will find your face is so plump and shiny. It feels really good. Next thing I'll talk about is this Medimix soap. I generally use Dove for everyday use, but this time I thought for summers, why not use Medimix? I don't know the benefits or really the Ayurvedic benefits that it gives or it has, but I'm really liking it because I feel real close to the nature. So I think this summers I'm going to use this soap for my everyday bathing purpose. The next thing this month which is in my favorite products is yes, this is Clean and Clear Natural Bright Face Wash, and everyday morning I wash my face with this, and it gives a really fresh good feeling. So I am liking it. It gives a real feeling of freshness. The look itself gives you a real feeling of freshness, and definitely when I wash my face with this, it gives a very beautiful refreshed effect to your face. Next favorite, I think summers, the most important thing becomes is either a deo or your perfume. So for deodorant, I'm definitely liking this. This is my all-time favorite actually. I'm using it since long. I know, yes, this is men's deodorant, but I really like it, and this summer also I'm loving it. It gives a very strong fresh feeling. This is a perfect blend or perfect smell that I can get. So this is not very strong, but yes, it is strong. So this is another favorite of the month of March, and I think I'm going to use this throughout this summer. Next thing is this hair oil. This is my second bottle of Dove Elixir hair oil, and definitely I'm liking it. This is very light. It serves the purpose of a hair oil, and it is not that sticky. You will not feel definitely that you have applied a lot of oil on your hair. I think next thing which I'm going to show should be a favorite of everybody during summers. So this March I have been using it a lot after washing my face or after getting out of my bathroom in the morning. I use this, the Dabur Gulabri Rose Water. I use this on my face. I just apply it gently all over my face and let it settle down, and then only after that I apply anything else on my face. Definitely this is a need of the hour, and I have been using this throughout the month of March regularly. My next favorite is this lipstick. This is from my last video. You might have seen Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon lipstick range, and I'm absolutely loving this pink burst lipstick. Actually, I'm also loving this berry red. So these two colors have become my favorite. They're very bright and looks very good. You know, you don't have to do anything on your face. Just apply these two lipsticks and you're good to go. So this makes that much of effect on your face. So the next thing which I'm going to show is the pair of these earrings. So I bought these earrings from a local market here. I don't know, it's not actually a market. It was some fair kind of thing that was organized here in my city, Gandhinagar. And I bought these two from there, and I'm absolutely loving them. The red and the white color is letting me wear them on, I think, on every dress or outfit I'm wearing. So these two things have become my favorite. You can have a close look They look absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you the another one as well. Like, I'm not going to wear it right now because removing this and wearing this is a big hassle, but I can keep it here and you can just imagine how these look. So I really like the look. These can go on the formal wear, the casual wear, anything, the Indian wear if you're going to wear, Western wear if you're wearing in office, at home, at party, anywhere if you want to wear it. This look absolutely amazing. So I'm definitely loving these two a lot and I'm wearing a lot. So the next thing which I want to show are these two neck pieces. I'll show both of them one by one. This is one thing. The pendant is like this, and if you want to see, just let me just show it by putting it here like this. So this is one thing which I have been liking recently a lot, and this I bought from Club Factory. I am definitely loving it. It looks really gorgeous when I wear it. The second thing is this one. See, look at the pendant. I don't know, camera is not capturing the exact color and the shine of the pendant, but yes, definitely it looks great. You can see and have a look, and if I wear it, it looks like this. So the next favorite thing is this watch. I mean, you can just have a look. This watch has become my absolute favorite. This was gifted to me by my husband, and it is a recent buy. And this is from Timex. Very simple watch. There's nothing fancy about it. No, crystals on it and nothing like that. I bought this only because of the dial. I really like the red color of this watch, the dial, and this looks absolutely amazing when I wear it. Absolutely loving it these days. The next thing which I want to show is something different. Is this bottle? Yes, it's a bottle. It's a copper bottle that my husband recently bought from D-Mart here in Gandhinagar, and by then I'm using it throughout this month. I'm keeping my water inside. You just have to wash it properly for the first few times, and then it is good to go. You can use it on everyday basis. And definitely people say that drinking water from a copper vessel is good for health or things like that. So I am trying that this month. I am drinking my water from this bottle. I fill this water at night and keep it like this, and then in the morning I drink the water. So next thing are a few clothing items that I want to show. This is just a simple outfit that I am wearing these days, and I am absolutely loving these. This is a black simple pant. This is from the brand called Gold. I bought it from Lifestyle, and these has zippers on both the sides. This keeps my stomach intact, and also it is very nice. The black simple pant can be used with everything. I wear this black pant with this camisole kind of thing, and this I bought from West Side. It's from a brand called Neon. I pair this up with this pant and this shirt. So I just keep the buttons open and wear this shirt on this camisole and the trouser that I showed. And this is the go-to dress or the outfit for me, and I really love to wear these. Next thing which I want to show is this pair of shoes. I am wearing these during the summers a lot. This is from Nike, and yes, I bought it long time back, around 4 or 5 years. Since 4 or 5 years I am having it, and I love these shoes. These are very comfortable, and I'm wearing them most of the time. So I think that's it for this video, and I don't have much of variety of things to show, like food items or books or something like that in this video. But I think these are the things which I have been using a lot during this month of March, and I absolutely love these things. To the core of my heart, I'll say you should try these things. These are very simple and very affordable things, but definitely adding to cheer me up during these summers and these make me feel very fresh to have something different from your regular products or regular things that you are using. I hope you will try one of these and definitely give your suggestions. You can always write something in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, and you have to subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, so it helps me. And definitely if you are watching my video, something is helping you as well. You are getting entertained, or you are finding something good, or it feels you good. So definitely my videos are adding something to you. So I think you should not mind subscribing to my channel. Please do that right away. Click on that red subscribe button. Until my next video, keep on watching the Lifestyle Edit. I have a lot of other videos. You can definitely browse my channel and watch these videos. Till then, live crazy, be beautiful, and keep your environment clean. Bye bye.